black tiger. Yeah. Alrighty. There we go. So we've all got a chance of getting goop. Come on, lekker. Well, I don't know. If you want a mat counter, you're going to have a mat. But I don't know. At least we got some paint on the job. Okay, we've got to fucking run here because it's cold. But the rain is coming and we've got to get it to dry so we can cover it. Because we've got to move the bloody thing. Yeah. So I said we would have it painted by the end of May. First coat, not too shabby. Not sure about the satin or the matte, but that's your call. Anyway, the black mamba looking alright. Fuck, when the rain is coming now, this thing's got to dry quickly. Luckily we got hardener in it, but yeah. Only one run, so that's not bad. It's not bad considering it's cold. And those look pretty straight. But we got to rub some more, put more paint on it, and it'll be sexy. Okay, if you don't run out of paint. Steady. And all of this without a spray booth. Fuck me. You only got a fan right on the back of the garage there. And the neighbours love us. That's it. Sweet. Put some more inside the fenders, bro. Let's let it dry. Looking cool. Tomorrow we'll do the fenders. Oh, we were so lucky with the weather. Yeah, finish the paint in there. That's great. You run out now, it's okay. Let's let it settle. Let's let it dry. Okay, it's cool, bro. So I'm still working on the woodwork, repairing the veneers and stuff. Giving the timber another coat. Gets flattened in between all the time and built up and flattened and built up and flattened. But it's starting to look sweet. Bloody hell, it's raining outside. Lucky we got the body covered now. It's just drizzling, so that's okay. And we've got the other garage. And got to do more work on the flippin' fenders. Find once more and then hopefully get the paint on here as well. Bloody cold today. So yeah. Anyway, see how we get along with that. Cool. Okay, so now we've got the boot lid inside. That's a lot done. The inside of these fenders and everything will be rubberized later. It looks much nicer shiny, I think. But as it dries out, it dulls and goes to the bit of the satin matte. Anyway, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Let's do the other side of the deck lid there now. And then take it from there. Are you making dust in there now? We're still busy flattening. We've got to prime that again and hopefully get that into paint tomorrow. Major job, major job. Anyway, all in the day's work. Alright. Other side of boot lid painted. All needs to be rubbed down again. Probably going to need about 3 coats. But yeah, looking cool, man. Looking cool. Boys are still standing the fenders. So much work. So much work. Yeah. Anyway. Yeah, you're right, the guys have been rubbing. Oh, we get more goof. Last primer. Yeah. And then tomorrow we flatten and get that black as well. Like we said, end of May, car must be in paint. First coat. And we flatten again 3 times. Paint some more. Paint some more. Paint some more. The bodywork's the most important thing. Rather put thin coat. I don't want it to run. It's cold. Give it a second for the fumes to fly out here. Alright. Your arms aren't long enough, Gerald. Build it up nicely. Oh, I'm getting goofed. Yeah, he's storing all the shit. And this is Stanley, the other right-hand man. Say hello, Stanley. You're going to be on YouTube. Alright. Cool. All happens in Mike's garage. We've been doing it for 25 years. Long time. We carry on. Yo. More? You need more? Oh well. Build it all up with a primer, and you gotta flatten again, and flatten again, and flatten again. And yeah. Just use the primer on the flat panels, yeah. Build it up. Crazy shit. That's it. Another litre of primer gone. Yeah, no, but give us more cash flow for petty cash, because this fucking thing eats material. It eats it. Don't worry, underneath we rubberize. Use the primer on the top. All cool. Just go where you see the scratches, that's the main thing. Let it build up. Well, we've had it. That's it. Another day's gone. Yeah. Now my carpet up there is also all gonna get spray painted. Anyway. Yeah. Well done, boys. Well done. All cool. More dust. More dust. It's Friday, lunchtime. The fenders have had another 3 days work on them. Just about right. Needs another coat of primer to build it up. My God, it's crazy. Only then we can put the first coat on. But it's about getting the lines right. The lines are very, very important, because we don't want anything showing up later on. Anyway, so it'll have to settle nicely, and at least the scratches are out. So another coat of primer over it, another good flat, then only the first coat can come on. And then a few more. Anyway, all part of the fun. It's got to look smart, otherwise it's not going to be worth it. There we go. There we go, another coat. Oh, you got the lines nice, Gerald. The lines look good. The lines look good. They look very good. Well done. Well done, well done, well done. That's very important. It had no bloody lines before at all. Eh? That's looking much better. Much better, much better, much better. That's with 3 days of rubbing almost. Building it up. All in the prep work. The more we prep, the better it is. I'll have to dry now, it's cold. We'll only have to probably only spray it in on Monday. One more flat and then the first coat of black. You're getting good at this. Looking cool. Oh, you can see the lines as well, nice. Very, very important. And with the fills of all the scratches. You need to go a little bit more over here, Gerald. Just on the corner here. You can get there. Just finish all that shit off. Alright, now we take a break, have lunch. Then, yeah, you need to put a little bit more here. And a bit more here. A little bit more here. Where the filler was. No, you need to build up more. These scratches. Yeah? Now you can see the scratches. No, I know, but it's easier doing it this way. Just finish it all off.